Okay, so I wanted to talk to you a little bit in depth about what is tandem air technology. And again, Riccar is the only company that does that. It is patented and owned by the Tacony Corporation, the Riccar brand. So when you have tandem air, you have two suction motors working at the same time. So essentially, you have the motor of this vacuum cleaner by Riccar, and you have this motor by Riccar packed into one vacuum cleaner. This is a direct air motor. This is a clean air motor, all packed in one housing here. To demonstrate that, direct air motor, clean air motor, and when I turn this vacuum on, the direct air motor will puff the bag up, and then the clean air motor is sucking in through here, going through, and then filtering through the exhaust filter. So when you have two full-size suction motors packed into one vacuum, you're going to have the best suction power of any upright made.